Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about Indian system of numeration now. What is numeration? We read this number as 100, this one as 1001. Let's say that you are given a number that has got digits 16248123. How to read this number is the question. Reading the numbers or expressing the numbers in words is called numeration. We have two systems of numeration that are Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. In this video, we learn about Indian system of numeration. In the Indian system of numeration, we split the number into groups of 3 digits, that is only ones, and 2 digits. For example, if you are given a number that has got digits 98765432 as per Indian system of numeration, what we do is we split this number into various groups starting from right. The first group has got 3 digits, let's mark it. Next group has got 2 digits, let's mark that. And the next group has got 2 digits, let's mark it. What we have done is we split the number into groups from the right to left. The rightmost group has got 3 digits and rest of the groups have got 2 digits, right? Let's say that you are given a number which has got digits 212121 If you have to follow the Indian system of numeration, what you would be doing is we split the number into multiple groups. The first group from the right has got 3 digits. Mark it. I'm marking it using comma here. The next group has got 2 digits. Mark it. The next group has got 2 digits. Let's mark that. In Indian system of numeration, the groups are named as ones that have got 3 digits, thousands that has got 2 digits, lakhs that has got 2 digits, and crores. These groups are also called periods. Please take a note of that. Each period or group is further divided into places. Since one's group has got 3 digits, it has 3 places. Those are units, tens, and hundreds. Thousands, since thousands group has got only 2 digits, we have 2 places. Those are thousands and 10,000s. Lakhs have got lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores and 10 crores. Let's write the number in words. The number given is 16324. To write this number in words, first we have to split it into multiple groups based on Indian system of numeration. So for that you begin from the right and find first 3 digits and mark. Next you have to find 2 digits and mark it. Since the given number has got only 2 more digits, we are not doing anything further. And as you see here, in the thousand group, we have number 16. So we say it as 16,000. And in ones group, we have digits 3 to 4. 3 in the place of hundreds, 2 in the place of tens, and 4 in the place of units, right? So we read that number as 324. So let's write it. The whole number given now can be read as 16,324, right? Let's read the numbers. The number given is 162806. To read the number in Indian system of numeration, first we have to find the groups. The first group from the right has got 3 digits, mark it, and next 2 digits, mark that, and then you have only 1 digit, so we can stop here. As you see here, in the lakhs group, we have only one digit, that is 1. So we write it as 1 lakh. And in the thousands group, we have 62. So it is 62,000. And in the ones group, we have 806. So let's write that. The whole number given now can be written as 1,62,806. Let's read the number 1500,44575 using Indian system of numeration. To do that, we have to split the given number into various groups. The first group from the right has got 3 digits. Let's mark it. The next group has got 2 digits. Let's mark it. And next group has got 2 digits. Let's mark it. As you see here, we have 15 in the group of crores. So this is 15 crores. And in the lakhs group, we have 2 zeros. It means we have nothing to do. In the thousands group, we have 44. It means it is 44,000. And in ones group, we have 575. So let's write that. The whole number given can be read now as 15 crore 44,575. Let's write the numbers given in the form of text. 15 lakh 44,575. To write it in the form of digits, what we do is we break this given text into multiple parts. 15 lakh 44,000 and then 575, right? As per the given text, we have 15 for the 50. We have 15 lakhs. It means let's write 15 in the lakhs group and put a comma there. And for thousands group, we have to write 44 because we were given 44,000. And for ones group, we are given 575. Let's write that. Let us write another number, that is 15 lakh 675. If you split it into various parts, we have 15 lakhs and we have 675, right? So let's write 15 in the lakhs group and put a comma there. And since in the given text there are no thousands mentioned, what we do is we put 2 zeros for each for the place in the thousands group, and then you put 675 in ones group. Let's write this number 10 lakh and 10 in the form of digits using Indian system of numeration. So we are given 10 lakhs and 10, right? So in the lakhs group, we can straight away put 10 and put comma there. Since there are no thousands mentioned in the text given, let's put 2 zeros in the thousands group. And then we have only 10, right? It means for the place of hundreds, there is nothing. So we put 0 there and then write 10. It means for ones group, we have to write 0, 1, 0. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC Online Classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.